Okay, folks, this is a day I've been waiting for. I'm putting my new reef together. You can see the tank behind me. It hasn't cycled yet. I'm still putting the parts in, and this is an important part of it, which is the protein skimmer. Woohoo! What we've got is the skimmer. It's got some foam in there, so obviously I've got some assembly to do. And we got our collection cup. It goes on like thus. Very clean. I love how this is angled like this, like an hourglass. Some of them you see come up and then they go in, or they've got this just allows for a better flow, in my opinion. Okay, I wanted to just give you a close-up of the inside here. So step one is to take the reaction chamber off and take the foam out and then put it back together. So it's going to go together quickly. So here it is all assembled. Let's take a closer look. You've got the controller, which of course has AC power. And then you've got a really nice watertight connection that goes over to the pump that's in the bottom. The pump has a venturi that gets its collection from this device, which is a silencer, so it should make it a little quieter. There is a float switch inside of the collection cup that runs over to the controller, prevents you from dumping waste back into the aquarium. Here is your, if I can get it close up here, as I'm turning this, I am opening a valve, opening an opening at the bottom to allow the water into the specific level. Now, I went through and I realized that where I'm running this sump, it's a pretty good sized sump at 75 gallons, and I'm running it at 12 inches. I needed to boost it up. So what I did was I just 3D printed this TPU thing that it sits on. It's still got the rubber and plenty of room for the water to come in from the bottom, but it's going to lift it up so that it's more at the optimal level. Overall, the whole thing took me just a few minutes to get it installed. Get it put together. So now we're going to put it in the sump and tweak on it a little bit. Okay, so here's that Magtool running on RODI water. So we're not getting foam. There's no organics in this. It's got a TDS of 60, and that's just what's coming off the rock on the other side of the hole there. So I'm not expecting to see any foam here, but the install went clean. It was very easy to do. The controller is working. The float switch is working. Basically, it was just plug and play. I snapped it together, and the only other thing that was abnormal was I printed that base right there. That red base at the bottom, just to lift it up so that I could get the water at the optimal level. I'm running a big sump. This is 75 gallon and it's half full, so you probably would not have that problem if you were running a 40 or 29 or something like that.